Welcome to this video where we'll be talking about SMS credits or text message credits. Now this is obviously part of your marketing funnel that when someone books a call they will receive a text message. Also they can do this at the opt-in level as well should they wish to, but you can also configure the system to send lots of SMS messages to your database. You can configure it to send SMS messages one-on-one to individuals. Again, check the help section for all the videos on SMSs and how to communicate with people. But in this video I want to talk to you about how the credit system works inside of client funnels, and most importantly how you top it up, etc. So what we have here is like your text message usage for your entire business with ourselves. Now we are unfortunately we have to charge you for SMS credits because we get charged to send them obviously through the network like you would do if you're on your own mobile or cell phone. There will be some form of charge that either you're paying per text or you've got a bundle, etc. in your monthly. Now the beauty of this system is all the communications that you have will be stored in the contact file that you're having that communication with. So again, if you send emails or text, check out the videos in the help section because we'll show you how that will get stored and how you communicate either in groups or one-to-one, etc. So lots of functionality when it comes to communicating with SMSs, but obviously you need the credit available to do that. Now, obviously like a mobile or cell phone, one credit is one message. Now, depending on the length of the message, you may use 1, 2, or 3 messages, credits. So obviously it's something you need to keep an eye on every now and again. Now, there's two places you can obviously get this information. One is in this section here, which is SMS credits, which is under the admin section. And it shows you here your total number of credits. Now, every start campaign that you have, every account that you have with us when you first start, you will have 100 text credits that we've given you free of charge to basically allow you to start marketing and start getting people opted in, and also then start getting your call bookings, etc, etc. Now as those people get call bookings done or you send them SMS message to them, then obviously it will show in this report here what messages have been sent and how many credits were used, etc, and when it was sent out, etc. So you can see a whole log, so you can see where your credit usage is going overall. Okay, so it will tell you how much you've used in the last 7 days. It will show you how many credits you actually have on file currently, and also then it will show you up the top here on every little screen as well. You can see a little number up here with a little credit message thing that shows you how many credits at any one time as well. So there's two ways you can find out at any one point how many credits you have available. Now obviously if we don't have any credit in the system and there are messages due to go out as a result of a broadcast that you're doing or someone that's booked a call, you can configure it obviously to send an SMS message automatically. If there are no credits in the system, it will not send that message, so please be aware that you need to keep those up to date at any one point. And obviously to do that, to top up the credits is very simple. You just click on the green button here that says top up credits, and then you just select which one you want. So we've got different packages here, 100 credits, 500 credits, 1,000 credits, or 5,000 credits. So let's say you want to select, say, 500 credits. You'll then basically select the company card that you have here, if you have one. If you don't, you can add one in here, but we showed you in a previous video in the help section how to add a company card, so double check that under invoices and cards. And then literally once you do that, you click top up credits, and that will then complete the process and top up your credits with say 500 in this case, and bill your card that we have on file for you that you've given us in invoices and cards for that number of text messages, and then essentially now you are fully up to date and they will continue to run and make sure that all those messages get sent. So I would always suggest that you just keep a little eye up the top here. That's how many credits you have, and when it gets to 0, make sure you top them up by coming in here. Very, very quick, very, very easy to do, but it will ensure that all your communications, whether you're doing broadcast text to everybody, or whether you're doing one-on-one text, or whether you're doing it as part of an automated funnel, when people opt in and book a call, then these text messages do need credits to go out, but they're very inexpensive, and like I say, they're literally something that are very, very useful and do get people showing up for calls or taking more actions, because not only can you email, but obviously you're now SMSing as well. And check out the, like I say, the member area support videos of the software here that will then show you where you can find out more ways to communicate with people with SMS, but also where all the communications are stored on the contact record of that person you're having a two-way conversation with, and you can see the whole functionality, whether it's via email or SMS. Really, really powerful stuff. But in this video I just want to show you how you monitor and keep a top view of all the credits you have and where they're being used as your account is actually using them. So that's it. So just keep an eye on that little number at the top there always to make sure you've got enough SMSs available, and when you find they're running out, you can top up at any point. Doesn't need to get to 0. You can top up at any point to ensure you always have enough on file, depending on how much marketing activity you are doing.